Hello guys, I'm Tim Klenk with MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center. Today we got a 2020 Newmar New Air that we did our ultra bright LED light upgrades to. So this is a 2020, and you can see there's a projector lens or a projector eye installed here. That is actually your low beam. And then on the inside, you have your high beam. Now, this light on this Newmar New Air is both halogen bulbs, standard halogen. Even though you think they're similar to your newer vehicle, they're not. They are still, and they still have a halogen light. We actually upgraded both bulbs on both sides, so you got your high and low beam both. They're an LED-driven light. 3 amps per bulb is all it draws. So go ahead and she's going to turn on, she's got low beams on now. Go ahead and hit your high beams. That's your high beams. Wow, what a difference. So if you have an older or a newer coach and you want to upgrade your lights, come see MasterTech, America's #1 bumper-to-bumper service, collision, and renovation center.